Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi, Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, to stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Aquarius, Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. So Aquarius, I see love. I see old love coming your way. There is someone from your past who might be coming towards you. There is a sense of nostalgia here. There is, exchange of energies with someone from your past. It can be romantic, it might not be romantic, but there is someone from your past, someone from your childhood who might be coming your way this month. For many of you, this could mean not to be coming this month. So yeah, we'll look into this as we go along. But I also see you being in your power, you being very much in an authoritative kind of position, very much in your own aura. People respect you for who you are. People, value you for your own, for your wisdom and your, principles and your ideologies. So you are very much in your power currently. Also, this could also mean like the person who might be coming your way, could be an Aries or a Sagittarius. Yeah. So, or a Leo. So yeah, either of those things. But yeah, they see you very much in your power. Now the other energies that is coming your way is when it comes to your career and finances. I see you walking away from something. Some of you might be planning to leave your job. Some of you might be, willing to leave your organization overall. Or for students, I see you guys, stopping to pursue something that you have, that you have been pursuing for quite some time, but now you're like, I don't want to pursue it anymore. Same goes for professional people, so like professionals who are not fulfilled with their job, who are not satisfied with what they once thought was, their organization represented, and now I see them, since their values don't match with their own organization, their own office, their company, so they are moving away. So like, I mean, you are moving away from this, uh, from this aspect that has left you unfulfilled. Now, when it comes to your love and relationships, there is going to be a tower moment, a moment of realization, a moment of shock, and this will cause you pain. This will cause you some distress. This will cause you some, like, what should I say? This will cause fear in you to some extent, and you might like feel that a lot of things have changed. You might feel overwhelmed at times because of this sudden change that is coming into your, like, into your love and relationship aspect. But the tower moment also reminds us that this is very much needed in our life, because the thing that you thought was perfect is not actually perfect, and this is universe's way of showing you that what you thought was perfect is like, it's not. And it's kind of a good thing that is ending now, because if it kept on going, the pain would be even larger. So this is universe's way of bringing you to reality, to show you the reality of things. Even though it may not feel very good. It may not feel good at all. But it's meant to happen for a reason. Also, when it comes to your health, uh, I see you going through some troubles. So if you feel like there is something that you need to get checked out by a professional, from a medical professional or a doctor, do prioritize that. I repeat, please prioritize your health this month. If you feel like there is some issues in your health, like something that needs to be checked, even if it's very minor, do get it checked as soon as possible. So yeah, health wise, I would ask you to be very cautious this month. Now the other energies that is there, I see you being quite confused about a lot of things. There is something you are not able to decide on something. Something is blocking your decision making process because you are very much disconnected from your subconscious, and you also are kind of closed. You have made this approach of being closed towards everything, towards your own opinion, even others opinion, others advice. So, and this is kind of blocking you to take a decision overall. I also see you working hard, putting in a lot of efforts, especially in your relationship, possibly. So, like, see, the tower moments happen, and then I see you working hard to make it work, but you have to face the reality that things are not going to work because the thing that you thought was perfect is not the thing that you thought was, the base, the foundation of things. It is the foundation is weak, and that is the reason the tower moment happens. So no matter how much work you put into a relationship, or the thing like, or the aspect in which the tower moment happened, it's not gonna work, no matter how much effort you put in. So please accept reality as soon as possible, and the sooner you accept it, the sooner you can attain that peace and stability and start afresh. Also, the universe is kind of asking you to focus on yourself because you get the Nine of Pentacles. So try to focus on yourself. Try to take care of yourself, because after the whole uh, you know tower moment as well as your health issues, the universe is asking you to please focus on yourself, focus on your health overall, and this will you will need it very much in the coming days. Self care and taking care of your own mental and physical health as a whole. So yeah, now the energy that you should focus upon this month is the Hermit. So you need to introspect a bit more into your life, what you uh, want from your life, or how you want to handle things in your life. You need to go deep inside, and the moment you go deep, the moment you start to ask yourself the questions, things will start to reveal to you, things will start to be more transparent and clear to you. You will achieve clarity, you will achieve wisdom, but this will only happen when you start asking yourself the questions, when you go deep inside. Now let's look at what Oracle Guidance card is coming for you this month, and for Aquarius. Get the courage. So let me be open to courageously take the steps that are shown. So with all that is happening in your life, with the tower moment, and the health issues that you might have, and you walking away from something that has not fulfilled you, the primary thing that you will need is courage. And this is exactly what the universe is asking you to have to to focus on, is courage. So the more courage you have, the more inner strength you focus on, the easier it will be for you to face these things in this month. So that will be all for your reading. Aquarius. If the reading resonated with you, do like the video and leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.